Hello everyone, we are Group 6 and today we will gonna talk about online job interview. So ano nga ba yung online job interview? Para lang naman siyang face-to-face na job interview pero ginaganap siya sa online platforms kagaya na lamang ng MS Teams, Google Meets, or Zoom. Nangyari siya noong pandemic era kung saan hindi tayo pwede mag-meet face-to-face. Dahil dito, with the use of the modern technology and internet, is nahanapan natin siya paraan kagaya nga nung pagsabi ko ng mga online platforms para magamit natin para sa ating daily activities. But even though na marami siyang pros, is meron pa rin tayong mga etiquettes na kailangan natin sundin, which is papakita namin at i-explain namin sa inyo ngayong araw. Ito ang 3 do's and don'ts na dapat niyong tandaan pagdating sa isang online job interview.
Good morning. Thank you for joining on time. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Good day. I can hear you clearly and I appreciate to be here today.
Great. So let's begin.
Sure.
Hello. Can you hear me? Your camera is off.
Oh yeah, sorry. I'm late. My camera isn't working. Kakagising ko lang kasi.
I see. So shall we proceed?
Yeah, sure.
In this scene, it highlights the significant impact of preparation and professionalism have during an interview. In the do version, the interviewee presents themselves as reliable, respectful, and genuinely interested in opportunity. It reflects that first impression matter and can influence the flow and outcome of the entire interaction. In the don't version, joining late, using no camera, wearing inappropriate clothing, and having distracting background noises creates an impression of unprofessionalism and disinterest that can damage credibility. Overall, preparation, a clean environment, punctuality, and professional behavior all contribute to making a strong first impression and can significantly improve one chance of success.
So can you tell me about yourself?
Yeah, sure. I am Jade A. Punzalan and I currently study in Colaya de Muntinlupa second year BS in Architecture, and I recently gained experience in the SWDC Cash for Work program under architect Aldous Tobias, and uh, my work there is very fulfilling as my work is very related to my program wherein we develop CAD plotting or drafting digitally and constructing such as construction of bulletin boards as such. And I'm passionate about continuously improving in this field. And I believe this position aligns well with my strengths, and I'm excited to contribute and continue learning.
Thank you. That's good to hear. So tell me about yourself.
Oh, sorry. I like watching movies, sleeping late, and I like to party on weekends with my friends. I don't really know what else to say. Hindi ko kasi napaghandaan. Kakagising ko lang rin, no? Medyo ano ba, hangover.
Okay, let's move on.
So for our next tip naman is yung mga madalas na tinatanong pagdating sa job interview, which is tell me about yourself. Sa do's is pinakita ni Jade yung kanyang pag-share ng kanyang information through relevant at yung mga achievements niya na may relation sa kanyang job interview. While naman pagdating kay Ivan, is nag-share siya ng mga personal habits o mga unrelevant na information na dapat hindi naman talaga sinishare pagdating sa job interview. Ang message lang dito is hindi dapat mag-share na masyadong personal or mga hindi talaga relevant pagdating sa job interview. Instead, i-share natin yung ating mga achievements o yung sa possible na mga skills na pwede natin makontribute dun sa ating company na papasukan.
So we're done with the questions. Do you have any questions for me or for the company?
Yes, I do. May I ask, what does a typical day looks like for someone in this role, and what qualities do you consider for an important success in this position?
Good question. Let me explain. So do you have any question for me or for the company?
Are you really the one who should be interviewing me?
Yes. What about question for the company?
No, none.
Alright, that will be all.
In the last scene, the Do version shows the interviewee remains composed, engaged, and professional, asking thoughtful questions. This approach leaves a strong positive lasting impression. On the other hand, the Don't version demonstrates how disengagement can undermine otherwise good interview. Responding with none or questioning the interviewer's authority suggests disinterest, disrespect, and poor attitude. Overall, this scene emphasizes the value of ending an interview with curiosity, gratitude, and respect. And that's all for our short video. I hope you learned something from us.